In this video, I've got something really cool to show you the Bosch GDR 120Li Pro Cordless Impact Driver or wrench that I've been using for almost 7 years. We will explore the standout features of this tool, focusing primarily on its impact driver and wrench capabilities. We'll cover a series of demonstrations including bit installation, screw driving, countersinking, speed testing, wrench usage, and battery details. This comprehensive review will provide you with a clear understanding of the Bosch GDR 120Li performance and versatility. How to install bits. In this section, we'll demonstrate the simple process of installing various bits including the Phillips screw bit, pre-drill countersink bit, and wrench bit. You'll see just how user-friendly and efficient the Bosch GDR 120Li is when it comes to changing out bits for different tasks. Screwdriving basics. We'll start with a basic screwdriving demo using a Phillips screw bit. Watch as we drive two 1.5-inch wood screws into a piece of wood, showcasing the tool's precision and ease of use for everyday tasks. Countersink bit demonstration. In this segment, we'll show you how to use a countersink bit to drill two countersink holes in a piece of wood. Following that, we'll conduct a screw driving test using two 1.5-inch wood screws, highlighting the Bosch GDR 120Li ability to handle more specialized tasks. Hey DIYers and pros, welcome back to Mark Daily DIY channel. Before we fully begin, let's make sure we're staying safe. Grab your eye protection, gloves, and a mask if needed, and let's get started. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tool reviews and DIY tips to help me make more videos. Using a 1-inch countersink drill bit. Here, we'll demonstrate the use of a 1-inch countersink drill bit. I will be drilling two holes and driving two screws. This demo will underscore the tool's versatility and power in handling different drilling and driving needs. Screw driving with Bosch GDR 120Li. In this extensive demo, we'll use a PH2 Phillips screw bit to drive screws into both wood and metal sheets. First demo. Using black gypsum screw 1.5-inch, we'll drive 5 screws into wood at speed level. Second demo. Using black gypsum screw 1.5-inch, We'll drive 5 screws into wood at speed level 2. Third demo. Using black gypsum screw 2 inches, we'll drive 5 screws into wood at speed level 1. Fourth demo. Using black gypsum screw 2 inches, we'll drive 5 screws into wood at speed level 2. Fifth demo. Using black gypsum screw 3 inches, we'll drive 2 screws into wood, starting with speed level 2, and then switching to speed level 1. Sixth demo. Using countersunk steel wood screw 2 inches, we'll drive 1 thicker screw into wood, starting with speed level 1 and then switching to speed level 2. Seventh demo. Using black gypsum screw for metal, we'll drive 1 1-inch screw into a metal sheet with wood underneath at speed level 2, followed by driving 1 2-inch screw at speed level 2. Variable speed trigger, no load. In this demo, we'll showcase the variable speed trigger feature with no load. Simply pressing the trigger to demonstrate the range of speed control available on the Bosch GDR 120Li. Variable speed with load. First demo, we'll drive 10 pieces 3/4-inch screws at speed level 2, using an old PH2 Phillips screw bit with a stripped or damaged point, to show how the tool handles less than perfect bits. Second demo, we'll drive 10 pieces 3/4-inch screws at speed level 2, using a brand new PH2 Phillips screw bit to illustrate the optimal performance of the Bosch GDR 120Li with new bits. First demo. Using a Bosch universal magnetic holder and an 8mm hex bit, we'll drive one 3-inch Tex screw self-tapping into a metal sheet. Second demo. Using the same setup, we'll drive 2 Tex screws self-tapping into a pre-drilled metal sheet with wood underneath, showcasing the wrench feature's power and precision. Battery installation and charging. In this section, I will explain how to remove and install the battery on the Bosch GDR 120Li tool, as well as how to insert it into the charger. We'll discuss the battery options available 2.0 amp-hour and 4.0 amp-hour, and the compatible GL 12V charger, which can be used with other Bosch tools. Overall, the Bosch GDR 120Li tool stands out for its versatility, ease of use, and powerful performance. Whether you're working with wood or metal, driving screws, or using the wrench feature, this tool proves to be a valuable addition to any toolkit. The battery options and charger compatibility further enhance its practicality, making it a reliable choice for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals. While every tool has its pros and cons, the Bosch GDR 120Li advantages far outweigh any minor drawbacks, solidifying its position as a top-tier impact driver and wrench. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tool reviews and DIY tips, and to help me make more videos. God bless.